Right, welcome back. I'm going to try and attempt to do some work on this with that. So that's the new panel. As you can see, I just managed to get a genuine one in the end. Is that the label? Oh no. Where's it gone? Oh, it's on there somewhere. I've unstuck it. That was the delivery label. That's not my address, by the way. So this is a genuine Citroen part. It's red because I put some spray on it already. Just the top half, because if you look at the, well, if you look at the original, it is sprayed up, but you don't see all the bottom bit, and then you only see the top. But as you can see, it's a nice panel. So the sun's out. It's absolutely freezing. I've just put my diesel heater on. Hence why it's quite noisy in here. As daft as it sounds, when you're working out there, if you leave the door open, some of the wind goes out. So I'm just doing that. It is bloody freezing today, even though the sun's out. So I'm going to have a go with fixing that, because after, as I said in my last video, after COVID, I've got to do something now. It's driving me up the wall, and we've had rain for days upon days. So I'm hoping the weather will stay nice. At least with the sun out, there's a bit of warmth on your back. Anyway, right, I haven't really got very far. I've removed some bits. As you can see by all my tools, I'm making a far attempt at trying to get rid of spot welds. Yeah, I know I need a spot weld bit, which I'm going to go and buy now. I've realised that. I tried drill and the grinder, but it just, yeah, I've made a bit of a mess. My error. I'm just being cheap. I've got to travel 20 miles to go and get a drill bit, so that's why I was trying this bit first. But there aren't many bits to drill out. I think it's that one and that one, that one, that one. I think there's one in there. It's a bit of a, there's a bit of a chunk, so I don't really know. But yeah, I know. Please don't say it looks crap, because I already know. I made a right hash up of it. I did break some of it off. As you can see there, some of it's coming away. I'm not sure how much is spot welded in there. I think there's a bit in there as well. I don't really know. I know it's a pain in the ass. Anyway, I'll go and get a drill bit. Right, I managed to get a few bits. So I bought some centre punches, because my centre punches are naff. A couple of them, because, you know, you always break them. And then that's the spot weld drill bit. This is 3/8. So I'm hoping, yeah, this is 3/8, so hopefully it'll be alright. It cost me the grand sum of £9.59. So let's go and have a whirl and see how we get on with that. I'll come back to you once I've drilled a few. Quick update. I'm in a mess. I have to get the radiator off, and it's awkward. You have these bungs, these rubber things you have to try and push it into. It was quicker just to chop it and pull it up to release it, but just trying to get to these ones. As you can see, the radiator was in the way, which is a bit of a shame, because I've lost all the coolant now, but you know, can't be helped. So onwards and upwards. Try and give you a look of what I'm doing. Right, as you can see, I've got some of the spot welds out. So I'm just bashing through this top bit without breaking my hand. I've got that bit off, and then go down there. That bit. Oh, this bloody floor is so wet. Keeps getting in my shoe from all that water that dropped. should have broke. I've had to grind some of this away just to get to these spot welds. I don't want to damage the inner rail, which is easier said than done, I suppose. So what I'm going to do is grind a bit of that bottom bit away. Right, hopefully I should be able to get in there now. Like that. Spot weld wants to come out. Maybe I'll do it a bit more. I've got that on the power drill now, whereas I had that on the battery drill before. Don't seem to be making that full punch. Let's make it a bit better. I think this is already worn down. Let's try that. Yes, that got it. Like that one. Fabulous. And that one. Out. Just give you a picture of what I'm doing in case you can't see. As you can see, that's the spot weld which I'm getting off on that bit, and then I'll do the same the other side, and then eventually it will pull away. What a palaver. So we've managed to get some tools after my palaver with it yesterday. So the tool I bought before from Machine Mart was one of those, as you saw, which cost me $9.99, and I just bought this on Amazon for $9.99. And there's a drill bit in there with loads of spare bits, and these are also even a drill bit itself. So yeah, that should do the job. And then I bought that, an air hammer or air chisel set, rather than bashing it with your hands and sharpening them with chisel every 5 minutes. I thought I'd give it a word on that and see how we get on. But this was supposed to be for today. Obviously you saw me, the bit you saw me before that was yesterday, and then this is what's happened today. So now we can't do any work because there's the car. It's quite deep too. There's a nice big chunky bit. So as you can see, we can't do any more work today. What lovely joys. The next part you'll see, hopefully we'll be doing some work.